Giague stachna agus falch go brennencie YouTube channel. Agus Wyatt Asalamdam, agus Inu, we will be discussing the terror birds. An unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, depending on what kind of person you are, extinct species of megafauna bird that lived in South America. And by species, I mean a family of birds, a family of large, possibly man-eating birds. So as always, sit back, relax, grab a cup of tea, and enjoy the video. Terror birds were a highly predatory family of birds native to South America, and thankfully, for everyone's sake, these things were flightless. Along with this, the bigger of the species could also reach something along the lines of 2 meters tall, which that is a big bird. On top of this, these birds had reinforced skulls, making it basically a walking Kevlar vest with the T-Rex from Land of the Lost levels of intelligence and ferocity, which is terrifying in all regard. This fact made worse by their heavy and incredibly strong beaks designed to crush through bone and flesh with incredible ease. These guys were designed to annihilate everything in their path that breathed or moved, for that matter. Focusing on more physical attributes here, the South American native had a hooked beak, as you can see in this image, along with incredibly powerful legs, allowing it to run at an incredibly fast speed, along with catching prey with its powerful legs. And according to the Netflix documentary named Dinosaur, these particular collection of birds were highly territorial and would regularly partake in cannibalism, which is absolutely fantastic. According to Wikipedia, it does not source an exact reason for extinction. However, it does source a generally accepted date, which is about 1.8 million years ago, was the time of the entire family's complete obliteration and banishment from the lovely streaming service known as Living. Hopefully you've enjoyed my video. Hopefully you enjoyed your cup of tea. Hopefully you enjoyed whatever couch you decide to sit on while you watch this video instead of doing your homework, you cheeky devil. Yeah. As always, gur mi little hagish agus slonga fall.